The next question is 1-methyl cyclopentanol is treated with sulfuric acid and the product formed is subjected to reductive ozonolysis because of the presence of zinc, and the product further formed is then subjected to iodine in the presence of alkali iodoform reaction and yellow. So yellow precipitate is due to iodoform. So if this question is to be answered, then since it is only one option right, X is, we do not know whether right or wrong for time being. Y is, we do not know. Similarly, Y is. But what is this? Z is iodoform. So therefore, it can be straight away answered it as D. Because we know after the iodoform reaction, Z is yellow precipitate. Except otherwise, Y does not give iodoform reaction. Then there may be the problem. Because we are asked which of the following is correct. There should be only one answer right. If Z is formed, that is yellow, then Z must be iodoform. Then to cross check whether X is right, Y is right, and whether Z is iodoform only or not, what exactly is the product of the reaction, let us check writing the equation completely. We are given methyl cyclopentanol and is subjected to treatment with sulfuric acid. An alcohol on treatment with sulfuric acid concentrated dehydration takes place to give alkene. So thereby we get a double bond here. So thus this methyl group remains same and we get an alkene. So this is supposed to be X. Methyl cyclopentene, and this is subjected to ozonolysis. So we know for ozonolysis, first step is addition of ozone in the presence of suitable solvent like carbon tetrachloride, and the second step is reductive ozonolysis, reduction with zinc, and thereby the ozonized product should be in such a way that the double bond will be cleaved totally and one oxygen is joined here, one oxygen is joined here. So therefore we have, here is the methyl group, here is the oxygen, and then we have 1, 2, 3, and then here we'll get CHO. So therefore CH2, another CH2, and this is CH2, and this is CHO. Or we can write the same as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and this is CHO. So this is supposed to be Y. And now this is methyl group containing carbonyl compound when subjected to iodine in the presence of NaOH, that is iodoform reaction, we get this methyl group will come out as yellow precipitate of iodoform. So therefore Z is yellow PPT. But we need to check whether X and Y we got are also given right or wrong. So we have methyl cyclopentene as X. And if you see here X, here is the methyl group and the double bond is here. In other words, it becomes 1, 2, 3. 3-methyl cyclopentene. But what are we getting? We are getting the product as, this is the methyl group and double bond here. In other words, 1, 2, 2-methyl cyclopentene we are getting. So this is wrong. And here we are getting a ketone. So CH2, CH2, CHO. One carbon is reduced. Altogether, how many carbons are there here in the alkene that is formed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Degradation is not possible during the ozonolysis. Therefore, this is wrong. And here it is COOH is given. And in the reductive ozonolysis, we get only aldehyde. So Y is wrong. Then what about D? This is right. So thus we have selected D as the answer.